Are you ready to unlock a timeless secret to building strength, balance, and focus? Meet the horse stance, an ancient exercise with modern-day benefits that can transform your fitness journey. Often seen in martial arts and admired for its simplicity, this powerful stance strengthens not just your body, but your mind. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone seeking a stronger foundation, the horse stance offers something for everyone. Stay tuned as we dive into its surprising benefits and show you how this unassuming posture can elevate your performance and resilience. Let's talk about lower body strength, the foundation of physical power and agility. The horse stance is a game changer when it comes to building rock-solid legs. This deep, wide squat engages your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, keeping them under constant tension. The result? Improved muscle endurance, enhanced stability, and serious strength gains. Whether you're sprinting, jumping, or just climbing stairs, stronger legs mean better performance in everything you do. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, just your determination and a little bit of space. Ready to feel the burn and build that base? Let's get started. When it comes to building a rock-solid foundation, core stability is non-negotiable, and the horse stance delivers like no other. As you hold this wide, grounded posture, your core muscles, abdominals, obliques, and lower back kick into overdrive. This isn't just about looking strong, it's about being strong, improving balance, posture, and overall body control. With regular practice, you'll notice better alignment, reduced back pain, and a core that can handle life's twists and turns, literally. If you're aiming for a more stable, injury-resistant body, the horse stance is your secret weapon. Let's talk balance, the unsung hero of fitness. The horse stance is your ultimate ally in achieving grounded stability. By holding this wide-rooted posture, you're not just strengthening your legs and core, you're sharpening your proprioception, your body's natural sense of spatial awareness. Over time, this simple yet powerful stance helps you find equilibrium. Whether you're walking on uneven terrain, performing yoga poses, or excelling in sports. Plus, its focus on equal weight distribution ensures your posture stays centered and steady. Think of it as a foundation for every move you make, solid, balanced, and unshakable. Did you know that the horse stance strengthens more than just muscles? It's also a powerhouse for enhancing tendon strength, those crucial connective tissues that anchor muscles to bones. When you hold this deep, controlled squat, the gentle yet consistent tension encourages tendons in your legs to adapt and grow stronger. Over time, this leads to better joint support, reduced injury risk, and improved resilience for dynamic movements like jumping or lifting. It's like giving your body's internal framework a durable upgrade, one hold at a time. Let's dive into one of the most underrated benefits of the horse stance: mental toughness. Holding this position isn't just a test of physical strength, it's a battle of willpower. As the burn builds in your legs, your mind will urge you to quit. But every second you push past the discomfort, you're training more than your muscles. You're strengthening your mindset. This exercise forces you to confront self-doubt and build resilience, teaching you to stay calm under pressure. Over time, you'll develop a mental edge that carries into every aspect of life. The horse stance isn't just about standing still, it's about standing strong. Looking to level up your athletic performance or boost your martial arts skills? The horse stance is a game changer in both arenas. Its focus on lower body strength, core stability, and balance makes it an essential exercise for athletes and martial artists alike. In sports, whether it's basketball, soccer, or gymnastics, this stance improves your explosive power, speed, and agility. For martial artists, it builds the stability and endurance necessary to execute powerful techniques with precision. By integrating the horse stance into your training, you'll unlock better performance, faster recovery, and fewer injuries. It's the perfect tool for enhancing strength and power where you need it most. Ready to try the horse stance for yourself? Here's how to perform it with proper form and technique. Start with your feet together, toes pointing outward. Gradually turn your feet out to around 45-degree angles and position your heels apart. Sink your hips back and down as if sitting into a chair, making sure your knees don't extend past your toes. Keep your torso straight, shoulders stacked directly over your hips. Engage your core, breathe steadily, and hold the position, focusing on maintaining a relaxed yet strong posture. Aim to get your thighs parallel to the floor, but listen to your body and go as low as is comfortable. Remember, this is an isometric hold, so the key is to maintain tension in your muscles without compromising form. Stay focused and grounded, and you'll reap the full benefits. As with any exercise, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could undermine your results or lead to injury. Here are a few things to watch out for when performing the horse stance. Anterior pelvic tilt. This happens when the front of your pelvis drops, causing your lower back to arch excessively. To correct this, engage your core and gently tuck your tailbone under, maintaining a neutral spine. Leaning too far forward or backward. Avoid shifting your weight out of alignment as this strains your back and throws off the exercise's effectiveness. Keep your body straight and aligned with a very slight forward lean if needed. Knees caving inward. Make sure your knees stay aligned with your toes. If they collapse inward, it can create uneven stress on the joints and reduce stability. Actively push your knees outward to maintain proper form, bending from the knees instead of sinking from the hips. To get the most out of the stance, initiate the movement from your hips, sitting back as if into a chair, and let your knees bend naturally. This ensures better weight distribution and engages your core for full body strength. Stay mindful of these key points to avoid strain and maximize the benefits of this powerful exercise. For beginners, start with a manageable routine to build your strength and endurance in the horse stance. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 30-second holds, allowing 30 seconds to 1 minute of rest between sets. Focus on form and gradually increase your holding time as your muscles adapt. As you get stronger, challenge yourself to extend your holds. In a few weeks, try working up to 3 sets of 1 to 2 minute holds. This gradual progression will help build both strength and mental resilience. Keep pushing yourself to hold longer, and soon you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Be patient, stay consistent, and watch how this simple exercise transforms your fitness. If you're feeling the burn and enjoying the results, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and exercises. Drop a comment below with any other exercises you'd like to see covered next. And let's keep pushing ourselves to new heights together.